Here's why your agency can't see you as a person. And this is for like 99% of agencies, and it's not because they're evil. Whether your agency is publicly funded or it's privately funded by grants or clients, here's what happens. There are clear revenue goals that they need to meet in order to cover the real estate, in order to cover the administration and the support staff. All those needs have to be met by the clinical staff, you. These funding deliverables have to be met in order for everybody to keep their jobs. Let's say you do a session that generates $100. That money is getting split for rent, for utilities, for the leadership, the administration, for support staff, for the supervision hour that you're not bringing in money, but you are either supporting somebody or being supported. Even the best-hearted agency has to keep its lights on, and the combination of low fee for service and high costs to operate are a problem. I like to think they're not evil, they're just working with too few resources. Solo private practice, totally different business model, you can charge more and your expenses are much lower.